What's going on, guys? Starting off this vlog with me getting out of work early and doing some car stuff, getting some me time. And here we are. Let's go ahead and get a cold start. This is the street I have to turn on right here. They should have a driveway in which I could pull in, but I'm guessing this truck is too wide. We are almost there. Close but no cigar. 100 feet away. I see it. I see it right there. It says Muffler Shop. King Muffler, right there. So that's who I'm going to today. As soon as traffic clears up. Alright, so here we are, immediately in the business. Cars up on a lift. We're right here at King Muffler. Muffler King. Here it is, the R32. Right up here. Alright, so here we go. We have this aftermarket resonator that I have right here from Magnaflow. And that's about it. Almost done. Yeah, me too. Here it is. This is the piece right here. This is Magnaflow 14156.
Move this?
Yeah. That one, and then replace it with the. Yeah, remove this one, swap it with the Magnaflow one. The one that I brought. Yeah, this one, exactly. This might as well be a resonator delete, considering how small that resonator is. I think technically it's a muffler piece. Should be a straightforward design or swap. Got it right there. Okay, so not too much. So experts. Okay. Okay. So right now it looks like they're going straight to work. So right now they have the stock resonator off. There's a piece right here. They cut it pretty close, actually. Cut it very close. The welding machine is out. It's about 10:53. So he's expanding it to have it slip over the stock. Measure up the piece right here. Add another stainless steel piece from their collection. Right there. so far, wow, so impressive, so quick. Oh my. So as I'm waiting for the work to be done, so far, wow, this place, very quick, very efficient. The work is being done in the background, and they have experts for everything. Mandrel bending, to the welding, to everything else. Gave me good advice, gave me advice on the sound, and they said it won't be too loud, according to their expertise from years and years of experience, right? So as of right now, I'm just waiting. So far I can't recommend this highly enough. No one's here, maybe because I'm a little bit early, but very professional. It's in a shady area. You can go ahead and sit around or maybe just grab some food around the neighborhood. So if you guys are looking for any type of exhaust work to be done in that tri-state, definitely consider King Muffler. So can't wait to have my first coat start after this and see what happens. All right, so it looks like we're all done. Here's the finished work. He made sure it was perfect. Look at the welding here. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's perfect. No rusting here. It's nice. Yep. Sounds deeper. I think the warbles are more pronounced now. It might be just in my head, but do I recommend the shop? Oh yeah, I definitely recommend the shop. I think they took their time with it. They didn't rush, maybe because there's no one there. But overall, I think the welding was perfect. No rust, or at least from what I can tell, the little knowledge I have on welding, it looked great. Oh yeah, you could definitely hear it's more pronounced. Pretty good, bro.
stuck in traffic still.